Hi everyone! Welcome back. Today, we're adding the final piece to our past tenses puzzle. After the past simple, the continuous, and the past perfect, it's time for the past perfect continuous. It might sound scary, but it's really simple. It helps us explain the reason or the cause for something that happened in the past. Think of it as the perfect way to talk about something that was ongoing before another action. Let's get started. First, let's look at how we build it. The formula is easy, and it's the same for every subject. I, you, he, she, we, they. It doesn't change. We need 3 parts: had plus been plus the main verb with ing. Let's see some quick examples. For the affirmative form, I had been waiting. For the negative form, we just add not to had. She hadn't been working. And for the question form, we move had to the front. Had you been studying? That's it. Easy, right? So, when do we actually use this long tense? We use the past perfect continuous to talk about a longer action. That's the continuous part, that happened before another specific action or time in the past. That's the perfect part. The main focus of this tense is the duration. We often use it with words like for and since to say how long something was happening. Let's look at the key difference between the 2 perfect tenses. The past perfect simple focuses on the action being finished before the later time. The past perfect continuous focuses on the action being ongoing, or the duration of the action up until the later time. We use it to show that the first long action caused the result we see later. Let's look at 4 practical examples. Listen carefully for the 2 parts of the sentence: the long cause and the short result. Example 1. I was tired because I had been running for an hour. The running was the long action, the cause, and being tired was the result in the past. Example 2. The ground was wet because it had been raining all night. The continuous rain caused the wet ground later that morning. Example 3. They were arguing because they had been discussing the problem for weeks. The long, ongoing discussion was the reason they were fighting at that past moment. Example 4. I was angry when he finally arrived because I had been waiting for 30 minutes. See how we use for to emphasize the duration of the waiting? This shows exactly why I was angry. A quick warning. Remember, just like other continuous tenses, we usually don't use the past perfect continuous with state verbs. Verbs like know, like, be, or understand. Instead of saying, I had been knowing, we must use the simple past perfect, I had known. Great job! Let's quickly review the main idea. We use the past perfect continuous for an action that was in progress for a period of time, and that action finished or stopped just before or at another time in the past. Remember the formula: had plus been plus verbing. Okay, let's look at a few more examples to really make sure you've got this. Remember, we're looking for that longer action, the cause, before another past event. Imagine you meet a friend, and they look very surprised. You could say, she was surprised because I had been working on the project for months. My long work on the project was the reason for her surprise. Think about this. The mechanic could fix the car quickly because he had been studying the manual all morning. The mechanic's long study of the manual was the preparation, the cause, that allowed him to fix the car fast. The teacher's voice was hoarse because she had been talking for 5 hours. The long period of talking caused her voice to be hoarse. I missed your call because I had been sleeping for a while. The long period of sleeping was the reason I didn't answer. See how in each case, this verb tense explains why something else happened at a specific point in the past, focusing on that long, ongoing action and its duration. It's like solving a little mystery from the past. Practice makes perfect. Write your own past perfect continuous sentence in the comments below. If this video helped you, Please hit the like button and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time!